Welcome students. I Vinita Prasad is here with the video lecture on the topic how to draft an invitation that goes to a VIP to preside over a function. Students, this topic falls in your board question paper in section B, writing skills. Question number 3 and is of 4 marks. If you take a little bit of care, it is very easy for you to score 4 out of 4. So today's topic is formal invitation written to VIP to preside over a function. It is meant for an individual. It's a formal invitation. In these invitations to VIPs, the name of the addressee appears prominently. Here, if you remember, it differs with the format of invitation cards, that is a printed card which goes to a number of people. It does not carry the name of the addressee, but here you see the name of the addressee appears prominently. As it is a request to an individual, the language and tone should be formal and polite, pleasant and courteous. It is written in a letter form. The format again is different to the printed formal invitation cards that go to a number of people. The salutation is Dear Sir or Madam or Dear plus name if the person is known and close to you. The complimentary clause is Yours sincerely or Yours truly. These are to be written on run-on lines, means the sentence is not broken into different words and phrases. They run on lines. Such invitations are written in the form of a letter, not a card. So the important thing to remember is it is written in the form of a letter. Again I repeat, the invitation written to a VIP to preside over a function has to be written like a formal letter. The language is formal. It is either typed or handwritten. The letter must be persuasive. Now, with a sample question, I would make clear all the main characteristics of a formal invitation written to a VIP to preside over a function. Here is the question. You are Amita, the head girl of Bright Career Public School, New Delhi. Your school is holding an inter-school music competition on 30th May 2020. Write a formal invitation to Mrs. Kavita Krishnamurthy, the legendary singer, to inaugurate the function at 10 a.m. at your school auditorium. See, whatever you have to write in the content is there in the question itself. So you see the sender's address is there, then the date is there, then the name of the addressee appears prominently. Then her address is there, K2 by 27 Jorbagh, New Delhi. Then the salutation is there, Dear Madam. Then subject is there, to preside over a music competition. Here the subject is to preside over a music competition. You are inviting Mrs. Kavita Krishnamurthy to preside over a music competition. Our school, then content. Our school is holding an inter-school competition on 30th May 2020. So what is the occasion? Inter-school competition. Which date? 30th May 2020. Who are going to participate? All prestigious schools of the area are going to participate. Your presence in our midst will act as a catalyst and inspire us. You are requested to inaugurate the function on 30th May 2020 at 10 a.m. in our school auditorium. The closing sentences: kindly confirm your availability by 23rd May. See the closing sentence. It may be possible that because of some prior engagement, the chief guest won't be able to attend the ceremony. So this has to be written to give them time to call you back or write to you and confirm their availability. So this line has to be written in the invitation. Now the complimentary close, yours faithfully, Mrs. M. Panigrahi, Principal, BCP School. Another example I would like to take up. Here again the sender's address appears. Bharat National Public School, Rajasthan. Then the date is there. Then the name of the addressee, M. Bhatnagar. Designation is there, Chairman, Indian Council of Scientific Research, Rafi Marg, New Delhi. Then the salutation is there. Below the salutation is the subject, that is inauguration of seminar on young scientists' role. The science club of the school is organizing a seminar on the role of young scientists in the scientific progress of the country on 31st May 2020 in the school auditorium at 10 am. We earnestly solicit your presence in our midst and also request you to inaugurate the seminar. We will be grateful if you concede to our request. Kindly confirm the availability by 25th May 2020. Yours truly, Jagrati, Principal. So this is what I think that I have given you a clear picture of how a formal invitation to the VIP to preside over a function is drafted. Thank you, students. In the next video, I will take up how to respond to these invitations. Thank you and goodbye.